Wow. Holy cow. You guys scared me. Well, I guess there's only one thing to say is welcome to Snow Peak Adventures. You guys know who I am. And today, I think I want to talk about the car modifications that I have done so far to my 2016 Subaru Forester. So let's get right in it. So, the last video I produced about a modification to my Subaru was my fog lights. I installed that kit myself, and I gave you guys a quick tutorial on how I installed these fog lights into my Subaru. It was simple and it was easy. So tonight, I want to give you guys another episode here and talk about the different other modifications I have done to my Subaru. Another easy modification I have done to the car was I've added this gloss black stripping on this trim piece. The original trim pieces were about this small. This is for the driver's side, but these little trim pieces, they weren't all that flashy. I didn't like them. They just seemed too plain. So what I did was I looked at SubaruPartsPro.com. I will put that link in the description below, and you can go check out the stuff. It's the same items that you can buy at a normal Subaru dealer, but they cost a little less. It's a company based out of New York, and you also have to pay for shipping, but they will send you the different products that you buy off of their website. And so I bought this for a decent price, and it's this piece, and it's the one on the driver's side door. And I think it makes the car stand out so much better. Another quick, easy modification that I have done to my Subaru is I've replaced the gear shift knob for the automatic transmission. I originally had this rubber gear shift knob. Never liked it. Didn't like the feeling of the rubber. It's just too plain. So what I did was I got a nice leather one. And it feels so much better. Freaking love it. It's pretty neat. And the install took me 3 minutes at most. So a simple way to modify this, to replace this, is you have this little silver bracket down here, and I'll show you on the old one. So here we have the old one. You have this metal bracket down here, and then you have the column that goes into the automatic transmission with the push button. So what you want to do is you want to remove this plastic piece. So once you have removed that piece, you don't want to lose that. You're going to have this little metal W, I would call it, inside your shift knob. So when this is here, what you want to do is you want to turn on the car, bring your shift knob back and over. It'll make getting the metal piece off a lot easier. Then with this, you just want to pry this little metal piece off and try not to lose it. Just like that. This then will slide right out of the column. All you got to do next is you get your new one, you take the metal bracket off, you take the little W pin out, and you just slide it back into the automatic transmission metal. That's right there. Then you replace this little metal clip, and also don't forget, this needs to go on there first. So whenever this is out, put this in, then you put your new shift boot on top of that, put the W pin in, and you're good to go. It was a 3-minute install, and I am so happy I went with this install. Another quick and simple install that I have done was I've added door sill protectors in my car. They say Forester on them. It was very simple to install. It comes with a template, and they're peel and stick adhesive. It took me 2 minutes tops to put these in. They add more flair to the car, and they protect your door sills as well when you're entering and exiting the vehicle, which is really cool. So for these, like I've said just previously, they are peel and stick. It's very easy to install them. Took me about 2 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a little tiny brown template that's going to start from here, and it's going to line up to right here. And you could tape it on. I just licked the back of it because it was a smooth surface on the back side of it, and, you know, put some moisture on there and kind of just laid it here, and it self-adheses to the frame of the vehicle. Then I peeled the backing off of here and lined it up and stuck it on, and it looks pretty amazing. Another quick mod that I did to the Subaru was I added LED lighting into the car. This enhances the visibility at nighttime and brightens the interior up. It looks really darn good. Check this out. I installed the light back in the trunk area into an LED light. I also installed LED lighting into the dome lights of the car. Another note is I added LED lighting to the visibility lights underneath the door panels. This helps me see the ground at night because I go camping a lot. Well guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to the channel. It means the world to me. I can't wait to produce more content for you guys and to, you know, see where things go with this channel. I'm learning a lot every day, as I've said in the past, and it's exciting stuff. And I can't wait to share more with you guys. Oh, and another note, who doesn't like merch? Well, that's in the works as well. My new logo was produced by a woman named Debbie Bruce, and I will have her company name down below. She works out of New Jersey, and she created my logo for me. I love this thing. I can't wait to put it on t-shirts, hats, mugs, and to start up a little online store, what my channel has to offer. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.